Good morning, friends. We are studying tense in English. We have studied simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. And so today we are going to learn present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and future continuous tense. While studying this tense, I told you we have to memorize, we have to remember the structure and particular tense, which I have written here with the yellow color. The structure is important for this particular tense. So these examples are not important because for your better understanding I used here example and same examples I used here. So you will differentiate that example with the particular tense. So number 4, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense in Marathi चालू वर्तमान काळ. What is the structure of present continuous tense? Yes plus am oblique is oblique are plus V4 plus O. This is the structure of simple. This is the structure of a present continuous tense. It's very simple. Okay. I have used here 3 examples. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. He is eating a mango, and Raju is drawing a picture. So I used here structure of the tense. Present continuous tense, चालू वर्तमान काळ. Yes plus, my dear student, yes means subject. Already I told you. And these are primary verbs or auxiliary verbs. Plus V4 means verb, fourth form of verb. And it has called also ing form. And plus O means object. So yes plus am oblique is oblique are plus V4 plus O. This is the particular structure of a present continuous tense. And I use it here. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. He is eating a mango. Raju is drawing a picture. So I is the subject in this sentence. Am is HV means helping verb. Writing is V4 means fourth form of verb, or it has called ing form. And letter object. Another sentence, he is eating a mango. Same structure I used here. In third sentence is there. Raju is drawing a picture. Raju in the particular sentence is a subject. Is HV means a helping verb, or it has called also to be form in present tense, and drawing is before here. Before means fourth form of verb, main verb. Kriya padaचं चौथं रूप, and a picture is object here. My dear student, while studying this tense, we have concentrate on the particular structure. So what is the structure? Yes plus am oblique is oblique are plus V4 plus O. And another most important thing I am going to tell you, if you ask in board exam identify the tense, so you have to first you have to find out main verb. You have to find out main verb. What is the main verb in the sentence? That is writing. Writing is the main verb. Then you have to find out then form of that main verb. Just we want to write here V4. And while studying tense, I have provided some charts, some ideas I told you. If there is V4, then tense is continuous. If there is V4, then the tense is continuous. Then the question is there that identify the tense, and we are going to identify the tense. So how to identify? Then I told you first we have to walk for main verb. So what is the main verb in the sentence? Main verb is writing. Then we have to find out the form of main verb. What is the form of main verb? That is V4, and V4 tells us the tense is continuous. Then we have got the tense is continuous only, but we haven't got here that what type of tense is there. Then or later, that is object, and with the help of object we can't identify that particular tense of the sentence. Then we have to come here I is subject. By learning that, by studying I pronoun, we cannot identify the tense. But the particular thing is most important here. I use am, and am is are is always used in present tense. So am tells us present. am tells us present. So my dear friends, it's very easy to identify the particular tense is a present continuous tense. Present continuous. Am is used there. Because of am, we have to say present. Before is there, tense is continuous. So present continuous. Present continuous tense. Have you got it? It's very simple. If you concentrate on this content, you will not forget. So last example I will tell you, that is Raju is drawing a picture. How will you identify? Then first we have to walk through the main verb. Drawing is main verb, form of main verb. Fourth form, that is ing form. Ing form always tells us the tense is continuous. So we have learned here the continuous tense is there. Then a picture, it is an object. Object never help us to identify the tense. Then subject also never help us to. Then is always used in present tense. Am, is, are is always used in present tense. So present continuous tense. So the particular three sentence I have written here, the three sentence under the present continuous tense. Have you got it? It's very simple. Then past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. What is the structure of past continuous tense? Yes plus was oblique were plus before plus o. My dear friends, one more I am repeating here. If you are thinking about only past continuous tense, then you must remember yes plus was oblique were plus before plus o. That is sufficient. If you are well known about the structure, then no one will stop you. Okay, past continuous tense म्हणजेच चालू भूतकाळ. Yes plus was oblique were plus before plus o. Then I have provided here examples. Same example I have taken here. So you will learn only tense here, not examples, not particular. I was writing a letter. First example I have given here. Then he was eating a mango, and third one is Raju was drawing a picture. They were playing cricket. Where is there? So they were playing cricket. Now we have to concentrate here. So I have used the structure of that particular sentence. I is subject, was is HV. HV means helping verb. Helping verb, the particular verb help to main verb, so it has called helping verb HV. Then writing is before and then object. So as I have told you while studying present continuous tense, same things happen here. Then we have to walk for main verb. Main verb is writing and form of main verb is before, and before always tells us the tense is continuous, my dear friend. Continuous. Then we have to walk for object. Object never help us. Then subject also, that is not useful for us, but helping verb tells us the what type of tense is. So HV is here was, and my dear friend, many times I repeated the same things. While studying tense, I provided some charts. You have to concentrate on the charts. Then the chart is about, that is was and where had. Was, where, had is always used. Was, where, had, these three helping verbs are always used in past tense. Was, where and had always used in past tense. So was is there, then easily we have to say tense is past. So past continuous tense. Have you got it? Past continuous tense, it's easily you have understood. I was writing a letter, he was eating a mango, Raju was drawing a picture. The three same sentences I provided here. It's a very simple to identify the tense. That is another type of sentence that is related to board exam. I am going to tell you next. But today and now we have to concentrate, identify the tense. How to identify the tense? So first thing is there. To identify tense, we have to walk for main verb, and then we have to identify that is type of that verb, that is V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. And if you identify that V1 is simple, V2 is fast, V3 is perfect, V4 is continuous and V5 is also simple. So it's very simple. So have you got it? Raju here is a subject, was is helping verb, and drawing is V4, and a picture is object. So we have learned here drawing is a main verb and form of main verb is fourth, and fourth form always tells us continuous and was is always used in past tense. So tense is past continuous tense. Have you got it? And future continuous tense. Future continuous tense, the structure of future continuous tense is yes plus shall oblique will plus be plus before plus o. This is the structure of a simple future tense. We have to memorize here. We have to remember here. Examples are given. I shall be writing a letter. Many times I use it here. I will be. I shall be. Already I cleared here. There is certain thing. There is 100% surety. Sure is there. Then easily we will say I will. Otherwise we have to say here I shall. So the sentence is there that I shall be writing a letter. And another most important thing I told you, be is always used in future continuous tense and been is used for perfect tense. So I used here be, and be means future continuous tense. So I shall be writing a letter. I is subject, shall be is helping verb, or easily we can say that is to be found in future tense. Or writing is before and who is object there. He will be eating a mango. Raju will be drawing a picture. Same examples already I told you provided here. And Raju is subject here. Will be is HV. HV means helping verb. Helping verb is there. And drawing form of that verb is fourth and a picture. So how to identify the tense? Then we have to walk through the main verb. The main verb is drawing. Our main verb is eating. And form of main verb is before. Before always tells us that the tense is continuous. Before always tells us that the tense is continuous. Then we have to use that object, verb and subject. Never help us. Then this part of the sentence is always helpful to identify the tense. Shall and will. Shall, will, be. The such things are always used in future tense. So we have to use here. Shall is used here. So future tense. So future continuous tense is used here. Am I right? My dear friends, I written here future continuous tense. So we were studying about tense. Last day we have studied about simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. At that time I told you some example, and I hope that you have got all these things about tense. And today we have studied here present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense. So with the help of this structure, we can make our several sentences. So you have to make your own sentences with the help of particular structure. And present continuous tense, one more I am repeating here, present continuous tense, that is am, is, are. These structures also you have to memorize. I am, we are, you are, he is, she is, it is, they are. You are thinking about past, I was, we were, you were, he was, she was, it was, they were. If you are thinking about future tense, I